An ideal blend of Northwest charm and modern comfort. This beautifully designed Newberg home offers a lifestyle centered around convenience, community, and refined living. Positioned in a quiet, inviting neighborhood near parks, restaurants, schools, and George Fox University, you'll experience the best in Newberg living. Newly installed luxury plank flooring leads into an inviting living room featuring custom built-ins, a warm gas fireplace, and expansive windows. The kitchen stands as the centerpiece, complete with a generous island, quartz surfaces, stainless steel appliances, and a walk-in pantry that supports both hosting and daily routines with ease. Just off the entry, French doors open to the main level office, plus a convenient mudroom with built-ins. The upper level is home to a tranquil primary suite where relaxation takes priority. The spa-inspired bath offers dual vanities, a glass-enclosed shower, soaking tub, and a spacious walk-in closet designed for organized living. A generous bonus room with a Murphy bed can be repurposed as a 5th bedroom. You'll also find 3 additional bedrooms and a large guest bath in this home of more than 3,000 square feet. Outdoors, the large backyard and covered patio extend your living space. Ideal for year-round dining, recreation, or quiet evenings. Opportunity for quality, comfort, and a coveted location. A refined retreat in a fantastic neighborhood. It's all here, ready for you to call home. To schedule your personal tour, please contact Steve Nassar at 503-805-5582.